The Watson's family had been using IKO since the early 80s. And when I took over in 2002, I've been using strictly IKO, maybe had some competitor brands in there a little bit, but didn't care for them. And exclusively IKO CRC shingles is what we've been putting on for probably solid 40 to 45 years. We've been doing nothing but IKO. And my workers don't want to put anything else on but IKO. I've had people threaten to quit working for me if we continue to use a different brand name. I won't say any names, but the IKO I love the feel of the shingle. I love the color profiles, like the blending of the shingles has always been a good complement to the roof. It's not too busy. It's not too plain. I just find it's just a perfect blend of coloring with the IKO and just a good solid shingle. Nice feeling shingle. I mean, when you put thousands of these on a year, you want to enjoy what you're doing. So we wouldn't use any other product. We typically use the Cambridge, and we're using Dynasty. We use some Royal Estate. Armor Shake we've also done, but personally I have the Royal Estate on my house, and that's kind of our top end shingle that we'll sell. But a lot of Dynasty, a lot of Cambridge. I started as a 16-year-old in high school. Lots has changed, I guess, from the days we were doing 3 tabs to good complete roof systems.